Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going to show you how to log into your Ally bank account online. So it's super simple once you know exactly where to go. Alright, so first, open up your browser and head over to the ally.com website. That's ALLY.com. And once you're there, simply look in the top right corner of the homepage and you'll then be able to see the login button. So simply go ahead and click that. And on the next page, enter your username and password. These are the same ones you created when you set up your Ally account. So once you've done that, you can just tap login. And if you've forgotten your login info, don't worry, right under the sign in box, there's a forgot username or password link. Click that and Ally will walk you through a quick verification process to reset it. And once you're in, you land on your account dashboard where you can then check your balance, transfer money, make payments, and manage everything just like in the mobile app. And that's it. So if you found this insightful, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe, then we'll see you on the next one.